New York City District Attorney Alvin Bragg is playing a political game that's very dangerous. But now he has the audacity to whine to Congress, to House Republicans, saying, how dare you send a letter asking me to testify before the Judiciary Committee to determine if federal funds were used to prosecute Donald Trump? How dare you? How can you possibly question the integrity of my investigation? Yeah, that's Alvin Bragg. Hey, buddy, guess what, Alvin? Guess what? You play stupid games, you get stupid prizes. That's what you're doing. You're playing a stupid game. You're nothing more than a handmaiden for George Soros, attempting to take down President Trump and deny him the capacity to run for president again. Why don't you get back to your business? Your business is prosecuting criminals in the city of New York. That's your business. Your business is not to try to become a national politician because you want to have Donald Trump perp walked. Oh, and by the way, I find it really audacious that you would sit there and complain the following. This is his whine in his letter. I'm quoting that GOP's request to Bragg, quote unquote, only came after Donald Trump created a false expectation that he would be arrested the next day, as lawyers reportedly urged you to intervene. Oh, really? So you sat there, you're running your grand jury, you're building the expectation on the left, you're doing all those things that Donald Trump was about to be perp walked. And now you're sitting there saying, oh, the House GOP shouldn't do anything because Donald Trump might have fought back and said, no, I wanted to expose what you were doing. Grow up here, buddy. I'm sick of this. Nobody wants to listen to you whine about why your prosecution of Donald Trump shouldn't be obstructed by other people, political actors. You're acting in a political capacity, not as a prosecutorial capacity. You've lost your ability to act as a prosecutor simply by taking on a case that your predecessor, who was a very liberal Democrat, said he wouldn't, that you initially said you wouldn't pursue, that the New York U.S. Attorney's Office in the Southern District of New York said that it wasn't worth pursuing. Nobody thought this case was worth pursuing. And the reason why they didn't think the case was worth pursuing is because the people who have money extorted from them by a quote unquote victim who in the initial parts of the investigation denied having ever had sex with the extorted party, and then later on changes the story to maybe once, because she was getting more and more kind of popular out of it, getting more and more gigs. Guess what? You just can't go and blame other people because you've been pursuing a prosecution that is an embarrassment to the legal profession.